What is blockchain and how does it work? There's a powerful technology behind every crypto transaction called blockchain, and here is why it matters. Blockchain is like a special notebook on the internet, but instead of one person writing in it, many people help keep it updated and no one can erase anything. It's called a digital ledger, which just means it records things like transactions or data safely and in order. Unlike a regular database, it's not controlled by any one company. It's run by a group of computers around the world. These are called nodes. Why is it called blockchain? Every time something is recorded, like someone sending Bitcoin, it's put into a group of information called a block. Each block is linked to the one before it, kind of like a chain. That's why we call it a blockchain. Let's say you send some Bitcoin to a friend. Your transaction is sent out to the blockchain network. The computers or nodes check the transaction to make sure it's real. This step is called consensus, which means agreement. If it checks out, your transaction gets added to a new block along with other transactions. That block is then added to the chain, and once it's there, it can't be changed. So, blockchain is like a shared notebook that everyone can see, but no one can cheat. It keeps things honest, secure, and transparent. And that's the basic idea of how blockchain works. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe and follow for more easy crypto explainers, and drop your questions in the comments.